So hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply use the YouTube Studio and then every single settings in here. So let's start directly to the video without wasting our time. So guys, if you're new to my channel TechnicalYT, please make sure to subscribe on my channel and then press the bell notification to all so you'll get my daily updates in time. So guys, let's YouTube Studio. So firstly, in your MI Android phone, so you need to simply go to the YT Studio, and if you don't get your YT Studio application, you can download it simply by going to your Play Store and then type in like YouTube. So after you go and then type in YouTube Studio, and then click on it, so you will see the first link in here. I'll provide the link in the description. So guys, you simply open the YouTube Studio app, and then as you see, this is my channel TechnicalYT. So this was the last video I made. So guys, so every single thing that you can see in here, that how many people subscribe to your channel and what's the watch time of your channel, and then every single analytics, so you can simply check from here. And then the watch time from subscribers, as you see, so this is my watch time I'm getting, and then top videos that are viewed by subscribers, and then every single thing, guys. This is called the analytics of the YouTube. So simply you can see every single thing, like click impressions, like 4430 total, and impression click through rate is 5.4%, like traffic source, external source, and so everything is mentioned in here. That most of the thing what I'm doing is like top YouTube search terms and like every single thing, guys. So basically you can see every single thing that are given in your YouTube Studio is basically your analytics in from your Android phone. So guys, this is how you simply use the YouTube Studio. And then if you want one more thing, I'm going to show you that how you can enable the dark mode also. Firstly, you go to your top right hand corner, and then you simply go here and go to settings, and then here you see dark theme in appearance under notify me via. So you just simply click on the option, and the dark mode will be enabled, guys. So you see the dark mode is in dark mode. Okay guys, so thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you. Bye, and wait for the new video.